Hi guys, Brian with Cowtown USA. Once again, 2 big weeks here, this week and next week only. We're excited, and we've got some big discounts on our Can-Am world famous Maverick 1000R motors. I've got yellow ones, I've got red ones, I've got blue ones, but check it out. I want you to look at these doors real quick. Come over here, Doug, look at these doors. Premium half doors, fully enclosed, fully sealed around the edges so you can take off through the water. But these are for guys that want to get on a trail ride, have fun, make memories, take a cooler, take your family with a 4-seater, get out and enjoy life and have fun. You can't work all the time, you got to play hard too. So come to Cowtown USA. We've got the Mavericks here, single seaters, 4-seaters. Check out this rock crawler. Specifically designed for rock crawling, bigger tires. You've got the bigger winch, you've got the bigger rock sliders on the side with the mud guards. Once again, the fit and finish is next to none. You won't find a better looking machine. You won't find one with more horsepower, better ride, drivability. Get out and have fun, and come over here. Get this, listen to me. Not this Saturday, but next Saturday, November 2nd, St. Louis Street Kings. You've seen them drag racing on TV against all those street outlaws, JJ DeBoss and all those guys. They buy Can-Am Maverick X3s from here. Troy LeCrone, we want to give a shout out to you, Troy LeCrone, with Blue Madness, the Camaro that he has. It's been on History Channel, been on TV. But this is what those guys like to look at. And next Saturday, November 2nd, they're going to be here. They're going to have their hot rods here. You can shake their hands. They'll sign autographs. But you can see their cars. They'll start them up and let you hear them. But this is what they buy. Can-Am Maverick X3 turbos, almost 200 horsepower. This is the only side-by-side that's fast enough for the St. Louis Street Kings. They're going to be here. We're going to be having a good time. But this week and next week, farmers, ranchers, drag racers, come and take advantage of our discounts. Get the big buck for deer season. Go to our website, CowtownUSAInc.com.